Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how can we change our existing Redux configuration using Redux Toolkit. So before doing this, we'll see some information about Redux Toolkit. So according to Redux official documentation, they suggest use Redux Toolkit, and maybe after a few days, some feature of existing Redux will be replaced with Redux Toolkit. So let us install Redux Toolkit first. So I'll copy this from here and I'll go to my existing code base and I'll install this. Alright, so let us see the existing configuration. So this is a previous configuration and this is a simple configuration. I didn't add too much in it. So the previous configuration had the create store, and create store had the root reducer, and root reducer came from the reducer, which is a combined reducer with some reducers. All right, and another parameter is composed with DevTools. So I'll replace everything, and you can see this create store is deprecated already, and they suggest use Redux Toolkit. All right, so this create store will be completely replaced with Redux Toolkit. So let us remove this, and let's remove everything from here. Store. Okay, before removing this, let me show you something. Okay, this is existing code, and this is all right, create store. Okay, in our existing app we have two states, one is cart and another is product. So after replacing this, we'll see if that is work or not. All right, so I'll go to replace it now. Store, and the configure store will take an object which has reducer, and reducer will have an object. So I kept empty object, and another is DevTool. So previously for DevTool we use another library, but now we don't need to use another library. We can use true or false. Okay, it's true or false, but I will not do something like this. I'll do some process.env .node env not equals to production. All right, so if the environment is not production, then we will use the Redux DevTools. All right, oops, sorry. All right, so let us see our app. So you can see everything has gone, and the state has gone, and our components also empty. So now we'll set up our reducer. So previously what we had two reducer, one is cart and one is product, and this combined reducer will completely removed. So I just kept it to see how we need to do this. Okay, so also we cannot use the reducer how we did before with the completely pure functions. We will use an object and the reducer will not used. So I will create slices, and slices will have card.js and another will be product.js. Alright, and to use reducer we have to create slice. So I created card.js and const card equals to create slice. So we'll create a slice, and the slice will take some object, and the first parameter is name. We can name it anything, and the second object name is initial state, is something empty or anything you can do, and then reducer. Alright, so this is similar like how we had reducer. So the previous reducer had the state, and state had some initial state and some actions. Currently it is similar like this. It has initial state and reducer is a completely like our function inside this function, and it will return a state. So let's see how we can use this. So we have to do export default cart.reducer. Okay, and similarly we can create another for product create slice name product and initial state. So let's see what we had previously. We had an initial state which is data, and data came from JSON, so we'll use same thing here. So data is an array. I kept some dummy data here. Okay, so the initial state will be this, and reducers is an object. Export default product dot reducer. All right, now we can use this here cart reducer from this, sorry, not from this, it will be come from slice slash cart. All right, same product, and product reducer also come from slice product. All right, now we'll save it and we'll see how our app look like. All right, you can see our cart and product came, and cart was previously an array. That's why the error appears. All right, so we'll go to the cart, and the initial state will be an empty array. All right, you can see our state already persisted from the data object. All right, and we can remove our reducer. We don't need this. We can also, all right, we don't need to remove anything else. All right, and that's all about the configure store. Okay, so thank you. I hope you understand. If you have any questions, you can put your question in comment below, and please like, subscribe and share if you like this video. Thank you.